Hi friends, today we're making chicken potato curry. Let's get this started. First, peel the potato. Now cut the potato to pieces and wash them. Add some oil to a pot. Add to sliced onion. Sliced pandan leaf. Add some curry leaves. Add some cardamom and cinnamon. Add some ginger garlic. Add 1 sliced tomato and 3 sliced green chili. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add 4 teaspoons of masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Add chicken in it and mix it. Add some water. Add the washed potatoes. Boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken potato curry is ready. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more videos.